These are pictures filmed by Al Jazeera after sneaking into a Chinese hospital. Xiao Aiying would only let us film from the neck down. She is terrified of retribution. Her crime, violating the country's one-child policy. Her punishment, a forced abortion, when she was 8 months pregnant.
I had felt the baby moving round and round my belly. Can you imagine how I feel now?
Her husband, also scared, would only speak to us briefly outside the hospital and not out in the open.
There were many men surrounding my wife. They held her arms behind her back, pushed her head against the wall, kicked her stomach, and I don't know if they were trying to give her a miscarriage right there and then.
The police locked her up here and gave her unborn baby a lethal injection. What you're looking at now is Xiao Aiying with a dead fetus still inside her.
The child we do have is 10 years old. She's been feeling my wife's belly as it has grown larger and larger over the month. And my daughter says, I will have a little brother soon. I don't know how I can possibly explain to her what has happened.
What's unexpected about this case is where this took place, in Xiamen. Forced abortions sometimes happen in remote areas of China, but this one occurred in one of the country's most modern cities. In recent years, there have been plenty of mothers who have violated China's one-child policy. They usually pay a fine, anywhere from $1,000 to $40,000 US, but are then often sterilized to prevent them from having another child. Forced abortions are not condoned by the central government, but it clearly still happens. Every few years, you hear the possibility the government might end the one-child policy and allow couples to have more. But for the Luo family, those considerations are too late. Melissa Chan, Al Jazeera, Xiamen, southeastern China.